How to fix unknown error has occurred while logging in into Roblox. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix an unknown error has occurred while trying to log in into your Roblox. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So sometimes this error can occur due to you not being connected to the internet. So simply check for your Wi-Fi connection and check if you're connected to the Wi-Fi or not. If you are connected to the Wi-Fi but still getting the error, try to disconnect and then connect back again to the very same Wi-Fi. If the problem persists, you can also turn on your mobile hotspot and connect to your mobile hotspot. After that, you can check if the problem is still there. If the problem is fixed, that's great. If it is not fixed and you do have the internet connection but you are not getting to log in into your account, what you can do is you can simply turn on your VPN. So you can turn on your VPN. You can use whichever VPN that you want. So I will be using Urban VPN. There are a lot of VPNs out there available, such as Proton VPN and many more. So you can use whichever VPN that you want, and then you can try to log in into your Roblox again, and that should fix the issue. Thanks for watching, guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye.